Hi, this is Wayne and welcome to my learning SchueCal series. SchueCal installer can be downloaded from my workplace. Browse to SchueCal.com and log in with your account. Then go to my workplace and look for SchueCal software download in the software section. Grab the downloader and run it to download the actual installer. I would recommend taking the download only checkbox in case an error appears during the download of the large file. Wait for it to complete 100%. Once the download is completed, browse to the download file and find setup.exe. Click Next to continue. Acknowledge this and also this. Accept the license agreement or click Next and install. Click Finish. Now the SchueCal is up to date. Minimize this and run the SchueCal from desktop by double-clicking the icon. Everything looks good. The first time running the newly installed SchueCal may take a bit of time, but now it's working. Thank you for watching.